accelerates developer productivity. These statistics speak to the productivity benefits that GitHub Copilot provides. Developers are now writing code over 55% faster with Copilot through real-time code suggestions and solutions. 85% of developers feel more confident now in their code quality, and 75% of developers say they feel more fulfilled with their job, enabling them to focus on more meaningful tasks. I love this last statistic in particular, and it really shows the true potential that AI can have to improve all of our lives. Over 70,000 organizations use GitHub Copilot today to supercharge the productivity and the developer experience of their employees. At Airbnb, approximately 70% of developers are using GitHub Copilot on a weekly basis. Shopify estimates that they accept up to 25,000 lines of code written by GitHub Copilot every day. And Microsoft engineers using GitHub Copilot have already accepted over 79 million lines of code that's been produced by GitHub Copilot this year alone. We're continuing to bring new innovations to GitHub Copilot. Developers in VS